all CS teams, I kind of found that motivation came down to many key areas, but maybe I'll just highlight three of them. First of all, you need to kind of give them a clear purpose and show their impact. So, the reality is that people stay motivated when they know that their work matters. So leaders need to be able to tie their team's effort to the business outcome. So show them how their work is actually impacting, say, for example, business retention, expansion, and revenue. Leaders also need to celebrate the customer success stories in order to showcase their team all the value that they're actually creating. For example, at one company, I have created customer success story initiatives where the CS team would share their success stories with the wide company. And this kind of like reinforces that their work actually matters beyond just metrics. Another way would be by creating a culture of growth and development. So, one of the biggest things that you can do to keep your team motivated is to really invest in their growth. So, that means giving them a clear career path. That also means providing them with training and mentorship and skill building opportunities, whether that's through certifications or whether that's through say trainings or just kind of like helping them level up their expertise. And as we mentioned before, it's not just about moving up in CS. Some of the best CS professionals have actually ended up in leadership, in marketing, in sales, or even in product roles. I've actually had some team members that successfully transitioned from being a CSM to sales roles just because we encouraged the conversations about career opportunities and kind of like help them see what was possible. However, the reality is that as a leader, you just cannot always promise a promotion within a specific time frame, right? And that can kind of like feel a little bit, well, not a little bit, actually, it can feel really discouraging. But as a leader, your job at the end of the day, it's not just to be kind of like handing out promotions, but it's really to make sure that your team is actually ready when the right opportunity comes in, whether that's in your company or even kind of like somewhere else. Because, if you're helping your team grow, then even if the next step is not necessarily within your business, you're still doing right by them. And for me, that's kind of what real leadership is about.